Hey, my name is Ratna and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great today. Happy Gandhijayanthi. Let's pay our respect to our father of the nation who said, "Be the change you wish to see in this world." Also, World Teachers Day greetings. Let's pay our respect to all our teachers for everything they did for us. So, let's celebrate both sweet occasions by making ice cream using just 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient is 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream or heavy milk cream. Now we need to beat the cream for about 3 minutes until soft peak forms. The second ingredient is 3/4 cup cold sweetened condensed milk, and we need to beat it for a minute. The third ingredient, for vanilla ice cream, we need to add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract and beat it for a minute. For chocolate ice cream, we need to add 2 tablespoons sweetened cocoa powder and beat it for a minute. For strawberry ice cream, we need to add 1/4 teaspoon strawberry extract and a drop of red food color and beat it for a minute. Now we need to transfer this to a container and freeze it for at least 6 hours. The ice cream is ready. We can garnish it with some sprinkles if you like. I hope you really make this. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. If you're okay with channel notifications, then press the bell icon. If you already subscribed, then thank you so much for your support. See you in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.